How can I use value underscore counts only for certain values? I want to extract how many positive reviews by brand are in the dataset, which includes reviews from thousands of products. I used this code and I got a table including percentage of positive and non-positive reviews. How can I get only the percentage of positive reviews by brand? I only want the true results in positive underscore review. Thanks.
Using the following toy data frame as an example. If you would like to get the percentage of positive reviews for each brand relative to the total number of reviews per brand, then try. The result is as expected.
You can unstack the output and slice the true